Happy Friday, Los Al USD. I'm Nicole Pichardo, and this is your wrap-up for Friday, March 8th, 2024.
March is Music in Our Schools Month, so it only seemed fitting that we kick off this week's episode with highlights from two of our favorite annual events. Last Saturday, we celebrated our instrumental music programs at the All-District Band and Orchestra Festival. From jazz to strings to concert band and more, it was a wonderful day of music. And on Monday night, the district hosted its annual Choral Festival. This event brings choirs from every school in our district together, providing an evening dedicated to sharing the language of music within our community. This tradition, dating back more than 35 years, featured performances from choir students from 4th to 12th grade, showcasing their dedication and passion for sharing their talents with our community. We couldn't be more thankful for our dedicated music teachers at each school site for your loyalty and dedication to these aspiring singers and performers. In more high school news, LAHS students and staff participated in a Breaking Down the Walls program this week, designed to create a safe environment for students to build empathy and understanding through the Play, Trust, Learn model. It was such a great experience for students to learn that everyone has a story to tell. In other Griffin news, our Los Al Griffins baseball team this week had the opportunity to play under the lights of the Big A. District staff, teachers, and families packed the stands at Angel Stadium to cheer on our Griffins. And although it was a chilly evening at the ballpark, it was such a special opportunity for our athletes to play and come home with a victory in a Major League Baseball setting. District and Oak Middle School administrators gathered this week to celebrate Oak 7th grader Noah Bragg for earning the 2024 ACSA Every Student Succeeding Award for Region 17. The annual program honors students who've overcome tremendous obstacles, showing us the true meaning of courage and resilience. Speaking of ACSA, we are excited to announce this week that our very own Los Al USD Director of Special Education and Mental Health, Mrs. Grace Delk, was selected as the 2024 Orange County Special Education Administrator of the Year by ACSA. Grace will be officially recognized in May. In elementary news, Read Across America Week celebrations continued at Weaver, Hopkinson, and LAE this week. At LAE, sworn officers and VIPs from the Los Alamitos Police Department, as well as some Griffin football players, read to students in their classrooms. LAE ended the week with its annual Read on the Green event. Weaver Wales kicked off Read Across America with their annual Breakfast for Dinner event. And at Hopkinson, a little rain couldn't stop our Husky buddies from partnering together and enjoying an afternoon reading together in their classrooms. And if you're looking for something awesome to do this weekend, the McGaw Pageant of the Arts starts tonight. If you aren't familiar, this unique show combines life-size reproductions of famous paintings created by students, as well as choreographed dances, narrations, and original music. Tickets are still available and can be purchased on the McGaw website. And finally, Los Alamitos High School hosted their annual Spring Showcase and Open House event this week. The event started with a packed house full of families of 8th grade students who learned what to expect next year when they officially become Griffins. Families of future and current Griffins then walked the halls and were treated to special CTE showcases, performances from dance, jazz, and a visual arts tiny art museum. The Tiny Art Museum was a total hit with its mini masterpiece, and for those who couldn't make it to the showcase, LAHS visual art students kept the creativity flowing with their Griffin Gallery and tiny art display during lunch on Thursday and Friday. It was a fantastic chance for everyone to see their incredible talent close up. And that's the wrap up for this week. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful weekend.
And that's the wrap up!